Pilot round lang itong Twitter livecast. But just to say, in this pilot effort na live stream, na we would issue an advisory on an upcoming, hindi upcoming, but a current practice of so-called third country hiring. Kung saan, yung mga certain OFWs na matagal na sa Saudi, pero may re-entry visa, nandito sa Pilipinas, bakasyon, may re-entry visa for Saudi, travel to Saudi via Dubai, but do not end up in Saudi. Pagdating sa transit, pagdating nila in transit via Dubai, ay lumalabas ng Dubai para maging worker doon. Unfortunately, without having gone through the DMW, and in most cases, bilang tourist or visit visa holder. And there have been many cases, and we will provide updates on this. There will be many cases kung saan they end up being distressed and being in our shelter in Dubai. So this is a fair warning to OFWs kasi apparently they are so-called willing victims with this practice. Na pag kayo po ay may re-entry sa isang bansa na katulad ng Saudi, pag na po kayong tumalon at magpunta elsewhere, diretso po ng Saudi, wag pong bumaba sa transit destination, or that can be called as such, dun sa transit country para magbalak or magtangkang magtrabaho. Kasi recipe for yan sa pagiging isang distressed o magkakaroon ng problema sa empleyo doon sa transit country. So yun na lamang po, we'll have a more formal advisory on this. Paum na lang po ito, and I'm just testing the Twitter live stream facility. So maraming salamat po sa inyo.